Hi guys, welcome to Back with Chefs by APCA Malaysia. I'm Chef Tan, and I will be the chef who are going to show you the advanced modern French pastry classes. For this class, we are going to learn 6 different types of cakes. The first type will be hazelnut and coffee cake. Second one, truffalo. Third one, exotic cheesecake, blueberry dream, morceau de noix. And the last type will be lychee and raspberry cake. In the advanced modern French pastry class, you will learn different types of fillings in this class. Let's say example, we have fillings of ganache, confit or jelly, sauté fruits, and etc. So different kind of the fillings will give us slightly different kind of texture and flavor as well. As we always need to understand, texture will affect the flavor. The softer texture or the texture which is melted faster, when we put inside our mouth, we are going to feel the flavor earlier. So it's always need to remember, texture will affect the flavor. And besides that, in this class, we are going to learn not only the boutique style of cakes, and besides that, you are going to learn not only the design for the boutique style of cakes, but also the design of competition style of cakes, such as like truffalo. I'm going to show you the design that I do inside the World Cup. And also, I hope Joy will understand one of the most important and the key points before we design or assemble a cake, we have to start consider about the flavor and the texture. From a flavor, I would suggest don't use more than 3 flavors, because if you are using more than 3 flavors, it's very difficult for the client or the guest to understand what you want to bring out. And the other side, for the texture, always remember soft slowly to the harder texture, so the guests are easily to cut it even with a spoon without damaging the cake. And also, we are going to learn different type of bases of the mousse, such as meringue, sabayon, patabon. So these all different type of bases of the mousse will help us to make the cake taste lighter and also brings out the maximum flavor of the cake, together with a combination of the layers such as jelly and also ganache. So guys, after taking the class, you are going to learn not only how to make all the recipe with all the layers, but also I hope you understand the reason behind that we put all the layers inside the cake, from soft to crispy, and also the different type of combination of flavor. Like this way, you are going to learn and build the cake from scratch by yourself in the future. Thank you very much for watching.